We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, rear all-season tires, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.